Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we are checking out the Fanttik Cruise V11 Apex handheld vacuum cleaner, featuring a cordless 4-in-1 design, a powerful 145W brushless motor, an AxLoop 180 degrees rotatable handle, an LED touchscreen, and 3 suction modes, designed for quick and efficient cleaning in homes, kitchens, cars, and tight spaces. This handheld vacuum is built for users who want a compact but powerful cleaning tool for everyday messes and hard-to-reach areas. It is especially useful for cleaning corners, furniture gaps, kitchen counters, and car interiors. One of the key highlights is the 145W brushless motor, which delivers strong and consistent suction while also improving efficiency and reducing noise compared to traditional motors. The cordless design makes it highly portable and easy to use anywhere without being restricted by power cables, making quick cleaning tasks much more convenient. A standout feature is the AxLoop 180 degrees rotatable handle, which allows flexible movement and better control when cleaning tight corners, awkward angles, and narrow spaces. The LED touchscreen interface gives users real-time control and information, including battery status and suction modes, making it easy to adjust settings during use. With 3 suction modes, users can switch between different power levels depending on the cleaning task, whether it's light dusting or deeper debris removal. The 4-in-1 functionality makes it versatile for multiple cleaning needs, including home surfaces, kitchen spills, crevices, and even car interiors. Its compact handheld design makes it easy to store, carry, and use for quick cleanups without needing a full-size vacuum cleaner. Overall, the Fanttik Cruise V11 Apex handheld vacuum cleaner is a powerful, portable, and flexible cleaning solution that combines strong suction, smart controls, and ergonomic design, making it ideal for everyday quick cleaning tasks around the home and car.